Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.